On the sidelines of the high-profile meeting of several world leaders, Russian President Vladimir Putin and Chinese President Xi Jinping were overheard talking about advances in the science of human lifespans. The brief exchange was caught during a live news video feed of Xi and Putin as they walked with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un. Their words were inaudible, but their translator, still on mic, could be heard detailing parts of the conversation. The meeting between the leaders took place as Xi presided over a parade to mark the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II, with the video provided by the parade's media centre to international news agencies, including the Associated Press.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now World.